1964 MG MGB here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Underneath the hood, 1.8 liter inline 4-cylinder. That's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the chrome, bright work up front on this one, headlight bezels, bright red exterior, black interior with black vinyl convertible top. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from every angle: underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Chrome wire spoked wheels, disc brakes up front. Technician did note, FYI, tires will need attention sometime in the near future, starting to show their age. Brakes, on the other hand, 85% in the front remaining. The new rear brakes have just been installed, so like new on the rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, paint shows well. Again, the black vinyl interior with red piping. There's that 5-speed manual transmission. Does have a retro sound style aftermarket radio. It does power up. I've not gotten any sound out of it. There's two speakers in the trunk that looks like what they would do is set them behind the seats, plug in the speaker wires, and they're just in the trunk in storage right now. It will also come with the cockpit cover, convertible top cover, manuals, bunch of miscellaneous receipts in their folder of them also, extra floor mats, so those will all get folded up, put back in the trunk where those speakers are. Obviously the speakers are remote. You can pull them out of the trunk and then put them behind the seats, hook them up. There's also a spare in the trunk as well as tools. And again, you can check that out in the still pictures. You'll be able to see that in the pictures of the trunk. And that's at uniqueclassiccars.com. Technician also noted the wipers work. Does have a new radiator, new rear axle seals. Mentioned the tack was in op. Take a look down this driver's side. If you like these classic imports, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've been getting a few of them in recently. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right up our showroom floor. And again, you can see driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you stick around to the end of the video, I will fold that manual top up so we can check out the condition of that. And then at the very end, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how this thing goes down the road, kind of take it for a virtual ride, if you will. There's a good look at the door panel. And then bucket seats. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes in the seating area. And again, the speaker wires do run to the back, so that's why I'm guessing previous owner would set those speakers in the rear and just plug them in. All right, let's fire this up. Has a Weber carb on it. No longer uses the manual choke, just so you know. Does not need it. There's also a Canon intake manifold. See the fuel gauge there. Tech noted tack in on. Temp gauge, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up, and there you can see oil pressure. You can also see stereo is powered up. And again, wipers work. Nice sounding. They say 1.8 liter. All right, let me go ahead and get this hood released. This would have a hood release underneath the dash and the driver's side, so let's get it popped open. Check out that engine bay, we'll look at that convertible top, and then Jason's gonna take it for a spin. All right, first of all, underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. There's that new radiator. Weber carb. And an intake manifold. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Look at this. Appears to be running pretty smooth. Let me pause this one more time. Get that convertible top up so we can check it out. And convertible top up. So manual top, one person can fold it up. Extremely simple, does not take much time at all. All right, last above the windshield. So nice fit there, rolled up the side glass, you can see how that fits. Black vinyl. Couple little rips in this one over here in the driver's side. See where it's been mended, kind of taped or whatever from the back side. You could have it sewn. Personally, I would just have it mended. How many times are you going to have the top up? So just make sure it's patched up well. Clear rear windows. And then kind of a little spot right in the same area over here in the passenger side where it's kind of taped from the back side. Again, either tape it heavier from the back side or have it mended. And side glass rolled up. Stick around. Jason's going to take it for a drive also. 1964 MG MGB. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Be over 100 of them on this car. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom.
One of 114.
And beyond. New episodes every week. Only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 1964 MG model MGB, which is a little bigger than the midget and fits me very well. I'm 6'1" and I fit great in this car. Did you know what MG stands for? Morris Garage. Fun fact. The turn signal indicators do not light up on the dash, but the turn signals are working. I can hear them working. This says 5-speed, which is awesome. Primarily, you'd see these with 4 speeds in my experience. So 5 gears, all the better. Now the speedometer is working as it should. The tachometer has not moved. As you can tell, this is a convertible and we have the soft top down today. The fuel gauge reads completely full. I can't vouch for that one. Now oil pressure, as we're putting along in 5th gear, is 30 psi, very good. Water temperature 195. Actually, we're looking at 180, even better. Now the radio for me has powered up. Looks like it functions, I just do not get sound. The wipers work. The clutch feels great, the shifting is easy. We've got vinyl bucket seats with red piping on black. Looking good with the red exterior. Let's just shift down a little bit. I do see a tear in the shift boot. Other than that, quite well maintained. Very nimble, easy to steer because it's so small. very fun to drive little cars. This 64 MGB, find all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.